Cameras are good? All right, cameras are good. This is the start of your Mile High Mini Monsters Sport Class Bracket 1. On the line, we have Jacob with Turner Souls and Michael Barefoot. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Oh, Turner Souls takes a fumble. And Mike gets a gift. And Barefoot keeps it nice and clean.
Alrighty guys, now we got Sam and Red Bull versus Troy and Doom. Drivers ready, cameras ready, watch the light. Steady, jump here. Still everybody's ready. Sam and the dials in Red Bull, we're gonna make another Red Bull.
That's keep going, Sam.
There we go.
All right, on the line we have Hayden in the USA 1 and Mike with Monster Patrol. Cameras ready. Drivers are ready. Watch the light. Good. Oh, big blue kick from Monster Patrol. He's going to have to play catch up. But he's right there pushing in the turn. He's going to come down to the front here. And USA 1 barely beat that. That was an action-packed race right there. Good racing in sport class. Looks like the cameras are ready. Drivers, are we ready? Watch the light. Barefoot versus the plan. A really nice start for you. They're going in there with it. Oh, kick the tire penalty. And McLaren keeping the streak going.
Alrighty, now we've got Troy and Captain's Curse versus Ben and Nightmare. The drivers get staged here. Drivers ready. Cameras ready. Watch the light. Troy right on the tires and rolls it. Gives Nightmare a sweet pass.
Good run, Ben. I smashed that tire.
All right, we've got let's see here. We've got Ryder with Great Figure 30th and Sam with Red Bull. Cameras are ready. Drivers are ready. Watch the light. Oh, I got fumble to the right. Great Figure. He's just playing into the throttle. And Red Bull takes the win. Ooh, the red and white truck battle. I like it. All right, cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Whoa! Restart that race. That was wild. See, that's what the highlight reel was. That was cool. All right. All right, reset. We're good. All right, cameras ready. Drivers ready. Watch the light. All right. There's a clean start. Oh, look, guys. Look, there's plenty of lead there. And Mark, Lograd. A former champion. Keep it going. Everybody get into place. So cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Start with these two. Green Nightmare mode. Stay right there with Sam. Looks like Sam's going to keep it nice and clean. Green McLaren. Move it to the firewall. All right, looks like cameras are ready. Drivers, are you ready? Watch the light. Oh, nice start. Sam drags the line. Looks like somebody came off his truck. And Mark. Wow, Sam takes some damage on that run. Big time. Mark's going to move to the finals. your Mile High Mini Monster Sport Class Bracket 1 Finals. We've got Sam and Team McLaren versus Mark and Road Rash. Drivers ready? Watch the light. Hold on. Alright, drivers ready? Watch the light. Good start. It's going to be a close race between these two right here, I can tell. And Team McLaren taking another round.